Greetings to everyone. So now I am going to give a small lecture about the lab. About the topic is checkout. So actually I have three process to deliver the lab lecture. That is, first I used to give the theoretical knowledge to the students. The next I used to show the video of the particular topic which I have explained theoretically. Then I will allow the students to do their role play. I will divide the students in a group and I will give them chance to each groups to do their role play. So now I don't have the students and I don't have the project to show the video. So I will just give the theoretical knowledge. So the video duration will not be 20 minutes. I am absolutely sorry for the inconvenience. So if the students and the projects is with me, I could have done the whole process. So now I am going to give the theoretical knowledge about the lab. That is, the topic is checkout procedure. Checkout procedure. Checkout procedure are of three types. That is, express checkout, express checkout, normal checkout, and self checkout. So these two checkouts are being used in India. When it comes to the self checkout, these are particularly upcoming developing process, which is not been done in India. It will be done in developing countries like USA, Australia, Canada, and very few hotels are following this. There will be a machine which gives the self-checkout process will be done in a particular machine. The guest itself will go to the machine and he or she will do the checkout by himself or herself in that machine. That is known as self-checkout. This is not being encouraged in India much. Very few hotels are following. So this is not much important for us to learn. So we will learn today about the express checkout and the normal checkout. There will be a flowchart for this checkout. Let me draw that flowchart now. is the flowchart of the checkout procedure. So let me explain accordingly. First, the guest have to do the normal checkout. Then the guest will inform to the employees of the hotel about the checkout. So this is first process, that is checkout information. The guest have to give the information to the hotel employee that he or she is going to check out at a particular time. Then the cashier of the hotel employee, cashier will update the guest folio. When the guest has enjoyed the properties and he or she is having the particular bill, the cashier will update all those bills of a particular guest who is going to check out. The next, as soon as the guest will arrive, the next step is the guest will arrive in the front office. The next, as soon as the guest arrives, the cashier will present the guest folio. It means the guest bill to the guest. Then the guest will settle the bill. During this process, the hotel employee will also inform to the bell boy who is going to carry the luggage of the guest. So the bell boy will be informed. Then the bell boy will visit the guest room, and he or she will carry the guest luggage, and he or she will escort the guest to the front office area. This is the normal checkout process. In the express checkout, there will be a slight different. Whereas the process will be the same. As the guest arrives to the front office in the normal checkout, here the guest, not guest, the employee of the hotel. Employee of the hotel will arrive to the guest room. This process will be done in the guest room itself. If the guest is very urgent, he or she is very emergency, his flight is at a particular time and they has become late, in this process, the guest will inform to the hotel employee about the express checkout process. They have to inform before 2 hours, so that the hotel employees will do the rest process for this express checkout. So in this process, the checkout information will be express checkout. Express checkout information will be given to the hotel employees by the guest before the 2 hours. Then the cashier will update the guest folio, and he or she will carry the guest folio, and they will be asked the payment of mode to the guest before they arrive the room. If the guest said that he or she is going to pay by the card, then the employee should take the swiping machine along with them, and they have to visit the guest room. And the presentation of the bill and the cash payment will be done in the guest room itself. Meanwhile, the same process before I have explained, it will be informed to the bellboy. The bellboy will arrive the guest room, and they will escort the guest direct to the vehicle where they have booked. In before process, they will escort to the front office, but in this express checkout, they will escort to guest to the near to the vehicle. This is the express checkout process. So after explaining this, I used to show the students the video presentation in a projector. They will involve in that video presentation. Then I will divide the students in a particular group according to the strength. I will divide them into a group, and I will let them to do the role play. First, I will show them the process by doing myself, and I will explain them, and I will tell the students to do in a group wise, so that the students will interact with the role play, and they will involve, and they will understand each and every topic, each and every point particularly, so that they will not forget in future. This is the process which how I give the presentation of the lab. And in this lecture, prerequisite, objective, learning. What is the prerequisite, objective and learning outcome of this lab? Prerequisite is what is the need of the checkout, what is the priority of the checkout, and objective. They will learn how to do the self checkout, express checkout and normal checkout. What are the steps involved, who are all the involved, how to present the bill, how to clear the bill, everything will be learned in this objective. The learning outcome, the student will learn the process how to check out in this lab. The checkout process, procedure, what are the different types of checkout, what are the steps involved in each different types of checkout, how to interact with the guest, how to speak politely with the guest, how to settle the bill, how to present the bill. Everything will be learned in this lab. This is the learning outcome. And I am very sorry that I am not going to give this video for 20 minutes because I don't have the, before itself I told that I don't have the students and projector. So the length of the duration of this video is very small. So I am really sorry for that. If I had the facilities, I could have done properly. So thank you so much for this opportunity. I hope best. I hope that I will select for this university. And thank you so much.